This is a full automatic production line for making frozen French fries. First, lift the potatoes into the washing and peeling machine. Workers here will pick out bad potatoes from this table. Two slicer machines will cut potatoes into strips quickly. Then potato slices will go through the impurities remover and washer machine. Next, potato slices will enter this blanching machine to remove the surface starch. Here is for vibration water droplets removing and air drying. This continuous fryer is used for French fries frying. Its upper cover can be lifted up for easy cleaning and maintenance. After frying, the French fries should be deoiled. And then enter this instant freezer machine for freezing. We use this automatic packaging system to pack the frozen French fries into bags. The packaging weight and pattern of the bags can be customized.